Hi, I'm Lucy.
I'm Remi.
And I'm Carmen, and we are
The Mitigators. And this is a research project for our ecology class. Enjoy.
Worsening climate change and forest mismanagement have led to wildfires of increased intensity and abundance in the American West, and firebreaks are one way of decreasing the risk of wildfire. At Sandstone Ranch Open Space, several areas have had their understories cleared and dead trees removed over the last 2 decades for this purpose. But what impact does this clearing have on the ecological communities? Our research question was, how are soil quality and moisture related to tree species diversity in different firebreak areas? Our hypotheses were that 1, more recently cleared areas would have lower soil moisture and nitrogen content, and that 2, greater soil moisture and nitrogen content would correlate positively with greater tree diversity.
To test our hypotheses, we chose 4 subareas of Sandstone Ranch to sample for tree diversity and soil moisture and nitrogen. 3 of these areas experienced fire mitigation strategies, one about a month ago, one 3 years ago, and one about 20 years ago, and our last area never experienced any clearing treatment. It was simply old growth. Within each area, we randomly placed 3 10-meter-long transects and surveyed soil nitrogen and moisture along the transect. We also recorded every tree within 2 meters of our line.
We ended up rejecting our hypotheses because of insufficient data to confidently support the statements, as we found no connection between tree species diversity and soil nitrogen content, and the soil was completely dry at all of our sites. However, we did have some significant data. First of all, our findings show that the area that was never cleared had higher soil nitrogen content than any of the cleared areas. Second, we found that there was less tree diversity in both of the areas that were cleared more recently, as can be seen on the graph on the flyer. This proves that firebreaks have both detrimental short-term ecological effects in terms of reduced tree diversity and detrimental long-term effects in terms of reduced soil nitrogen content on the cleared areas. However, we did observe lots of tree regeneration in the site that had been cleared 20 years ago, giving us hope for the future of this landscape. Fire breaks and fire management will be used more and more as wildfire intensity and frequency increase, and so it is important to have a holistic understanding of the effects of this tactic on Colorado ecosystems. Thanks for listening.